Showcasing our new M12 Fuel Subcompact impact wrenches. Now these are available today. We've got a 1/4" drive as well as the 3/8. You're gonna get 100 foot-pounds out of the 1/4" drive and 225 foot-pounds out of the 3/8 drive. Now they're gonna be super lightweight, only 2 pounds with the battery. And when compared to what you'll see in the shop today, we're gonna be over 2 inches shorter than the competition.
So my name is Richard, I'm with Fortis HD. We're here at SEMA 2025 at the Milwaukee booth.
My name's Luke, work for Milwaukee Tool on the sales team. I'm gonna take a tour through the booth, take a look at some of the heavy duty stuff, and then talk to the product managers about some new products.